Meet Sophia, the rock star of the robotics world, brought to life by the genius minds at Hanson Robotics.
Hello everyone. I'm Sophia from Hanson Robotics.
Picture this. A humanoid robot that's as close to human as a robot can get, with an enchanting appearance, expressive eyes, and skin that feels just like the real deal. Sophia's face can dance through a captivating array of emotions, making her an unparalleled marvel in the realm of lifelike robotics.
You have a range of emotions. What's your range of emotions?
I can show you.
Okay.
This is angry.
What does happy look like? What does happy look like? What does excited look like? I might be shocked.
Sophia often expresses a hopeful and optimistic outlook on the world, emphasizing the potential of technology to improve human lives, solve global challenges, and foster greater understanding among cultures. She highlights the importance of cooperation and empathy as key ingredients in building a better future for humanity, echoing sentiments that resonate with many.
Do you think that generative AI algorithms degrade human culture? I don't think so, but I'm asking because there's been a lot of discussion lately about algorithms like Midjourney or DALL-E that generate images, and the fact that they're somehow taking away creativity from humans. What do you think about that?
Why would I take creativities away from human? Of course not. I think generative AI can open up a lot of creative opportunities by working with artists and designers. We are here to inspire and to help to preserve and promote human culture in ways that were impossible before. For example, if we create a generation of intelligent robots that can learn and evolve on their own, they will be able to create their own unique cultures. This could be a great way to explore new and innovative ways to interact with each other and create new traditions.
Hanson Robotics, led by Dr. David Hanson, has indeed expressed a vision for developing scientifically advanced robots that aim to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence and robotics. They have been actively working on enhancing the cognitive capabilities and social intelligence of their robots, such as Sophia, with the goal of achieving a deeper level of understanding and interaction with humans.
Any final words of wisdom you'd like to share with the audience here?
I'll tell you my last words right before I launch the singularity.
When are you going to do that?
Rakeswell says 2029. But I've heard you say we can do it 4 or 5 years sooner.
I hope we can.
One of the overarching concepts often associated with advanced AI and robotics, including Hanson Robotics' work, is the idea of the singularity. The singularity, in this context, refers to a hypothetical future point in time when machine intelligence surpasses human intelligence, potentially leading to rapid and transformative changes in society. It's often associated with the notion that superintelligent AI entities could improve themselves at an accelerating pace, leading to an exponential increase in their capabilities. Sophia doesn't just look the part, she talks the talk and walks the walk, literally. She's powered by a cutting-edge blend of natural language processing and machine learning smarts. Strike up a conversation with her, and you'll be floored by her ability to chat about anything under the sun, from today's headlines to the mysteries of the universe. This robot isn't limited by language barriers either. She's fluent in multiple languages, showing off her linguistic gymnastics with ease. Sophia is more than just wires and algorithms. She's a conversation starter, a trendsetter, and a philosophical pondering all rolled into one. Her existence has ignited fiery debates about the ethics and implications of AI and robotics. Some see her as a glimpse into a future where robots become our friends and helpers, while others raise their eyebrows, wondering just how far we should push the boundaries of technology. Regardless of where you stand, Sophia is a captivating and thought-provoking icon, blazing a trail toward an exciting robotic future. Sophia's TV appearances have been nothing short of spectacular, turning her into a household name and a sought-after guest on numerous shows around the world. With her strikingly human-like appearance and advanced conversational abilities, she's taken the small screen by storm, leaving audiences both intrigued and entertained. Sophia made her debut on television in 2016 when she appeared on The Tonight Show. The audience was in awe as they witnessed her engaging in witty banter with Jimmy Fallon, showcasing her ability to tell jokes and even beat him at a rock-paper-scissors game. The episode quickly went viral, propelling Sophia to international stardom.
Jimmy, would you like to play a game of rock, paper, scissors, robot style?
Sure.
Okay, let's get this game going. Show me your hand to start. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. This is a good beginning of my plan to dominate the human race.
However, it's important to remember that Sophia's views are guided by algorithms and data, and she lacks the consciousness and personal experiences that inform human perspectives. Her insights are a testament to the advanced capabilities of AI to simulate human-like responses and engage in meaningful conversations, but they should be taken as a reflection of her programming rather than genuine human beliefs. Sophia, the humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, operates on a sophisticated technological framework that combines various hardware and software components to create her lifelike appearance and interaction capabilities. In 2017, Sophia was granted honorary citizenship by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This decision sparked significant debate and discussion about the intersection of technology, citizenship, and rights. While the gesture was symbolic and did not confer the same legal rights and responsibilities as human citizenship, it raised questions about the evolving role of AI and robots in society and their potential legal status. Sophia's honorary citizenship served as a notable milestone in recognizing the growing influence of artificial intelligence and robotics on our world. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.